In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to tag someone in Basecamp. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply want to grab someone's attention, tagging is a useful feature that can streamline communication and ensure that your message doesn't get lost in the mix. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively tag someone using Basecamp. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard displaying your various projects. From this list, choose the project in which you want to tag someone. Simply click on the project name to open it. Now that you're inside the project, look for the message board section. This is where team discussions and announcements typically happen. Click on the message board to proceed. A new screen will appear, showcasing all the messages shared within that project. Here you'll find the new message button. Click on it to start crafting your message. With the new message window open, the first thing you'll want to do is type a title for your message. This helps in keeping your messages organized and makes it easier for others to find and reference them later. So choose a clear and concise title that encapsulates the essence of your message. Once you've settled on a title, it's time to write the main body of your message. You can include updates, questions, or any information pertinent to the project. As you're writing, you might want to draw someone's attention to the message. This is where tagging comes in handy. To tag someone, simply type the @ symbol, which is the @ key on your keyboard, followed by the first few letters of the person's name. Basecamp will automatically suggest names from your project team. Scroll through the suggestions and select the name of the person you wish to tag. This action ensures that the individual is notified about your message, making sure they see it in a timely manner. After you've finished writing your message and tagging the necessary individuals, review everything to ensure accuracy and clarity. This is a good time to double-check that you've tagged the correct person and that your message is clear. Once you're satisfied, proceed by clicking on the Post this message button. This action will publish your message to the message board and notify the tagged individuals, prompting them to check the message you've shared. And that's it! You've successfully tagged someone in Basecamp. This simple yet powerful feature can greatly enhance communication within your team by making sure that the right people are always in the loop. Remember that effective tagging can save time and reduce the back and forth often involved in team communications. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to tag someone in Basecamp. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out for more support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy collaborating!